Hey folks, welcome back. Today, we're going to attempt the noble art of turning this questionable church sketch into a masterpiece. Sort of. Take a gander at this beauty. It's like someone dropped a bunch of rectangles and said, "That's a church." But fear not, we're going to turn this into something worth framing. Let's get serious about our not-so-serious church painting. Grab your watercolors, brushes, and, of course, your questionable sketch. Set up your space like a pro, because today, we are all about sophistication. Windows, or should I say geometric wonders. Let's just call them portals to a world where rulers and straight lines are overrated. It's time to give this church some life. Just throw a first layer of a light value on there all over the place. Every unique church deserves some lovely foliage. Our trees are like the bodyguards of this unconventional church, and they're here to protect it from judgment. I don't know what the f*** I'm doing here. It's time to sprinkle some drama on our already eccentric masterpiece. You see, in art, it's not just about the colors and shapes. It's also about the shadows. That's where the magic happens. Take a look at our one-of-a-kind church. It's like it's ready for a funhouse tour, but it's missing something. These darker values are like the secrets lurking in the shadows, adding depth and dimension to our church. Notice how these shadows define the quirky contours of our church. It's like they're whispering, "We're not just any church. We're a masterpiece with a twist." See, art is all about contrast. These shadows are like the punchlines in our comedy routine. They make everything pop and give our church a personality of its own. doing absolutely nothing here for a while, ripping you off out of valuable watch time. Now it's time for the darkest values. This is where this mess all starts to make sense. I also want to darken this shadow side a bit more, like the reverse to the King of Pop. Don't say anything about lines and perspective, please. And there you have it, our lovably eccentric church with its unique shadows, turning it into a whimsical masterpiece that can't help but make you want to buy it for $149.95.